Hey guys, what up? It's your boy B5123. I'm now looking a bit down and I'm so sorry that I haven't been doing any videos for such a long time, but still playing some Jailbreak. And I just wanted to say I might be doing some vlogs or I might not be. But right now my computer's being very glitchy. Cursor won't work. Yeah, I can't move it. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to leave the server and rejoin it. There you go. Rejoin the server, open Roblox. I hope you guys can hear me alright. And I've got a big surprise for you on this game that you might like, you might not like. I really don't know. My belly just rumbled even though I've just eaten a whole bowl of pasta. I'm just gonna run, get in a heli, and go. Yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm going to get a surprise for you. Oh, you know what? This is falling very slowly. They need to patch that up. And I fell. Oh, jewelry store. Well, he just robbed it. Literally just robbed it, so I'm not going to be able to have the chance to get there, am I? And I've got that very long drive to do, even though I'm going at like, I don't know, 30 miles an hour. That was really frustrating. And I can't go up there. I'm just heading to this. And I'm heading here just to get something across this road. Keep going. I need to get here. You ready? Off-road time, baby. Brrr. Easy. Now, trying to find that motorbike around. You could probably hear Fee Gamer playing with someone else in the background. I know both of their names. I'm not going to say any of them. Except for something else. What's suspicious about this? Buggy. I don't have enough for that though. I only have 2,000. It's because I spent I could have saved up for that, but instead I got the motorbike for 35,000. I just got a badge award. And I have no idea where I'm going. Pull the brakes. Right, that was a fail. That cost 16,000. I might get that. Might. And this, I think, is like 500,000. I think it's 10,000. There's the Tron bike that costs that much, and I really, really want it. So I just have to itch my nose and my other nose. And of course, it has to have an American sign. I'm not American, as you can probably tell by my accent. I'm British. So if you really wanted to know what else, now you found out. Okay, I was just checking out something. Can I arrest you? Sir, you don't look like a police, but I'm gonna say that you are a police. Just this once. Enter driver. I've just taken off policy. Okay, right. You're probably getting booked. Yeah. So I'm gonna go to prison. Am I thinking, oh, my avatar, yeah. About my avatar, I didn't really customize it. You might be thinking, oh, the white pilgrim hat. Well, I'm not taking it off. Because this pilgrim hat, I'm just gonna sort out these. My pilgrim hat makes me look way better. So time. So, as you might be thinking, you might have seen New Sewer Escape. Oh, that's cool. Run. I've just done the New Sewer Escape. I just need to run now. No, she just arrested me. Camper. Camped people. I'm gonna rob the jewelry store after I've escaped out of this place, because this place is horrible. Horrible!
No.
Boom.
Yeah. That one's me.
These headphones are way too big for me. I don't even know where the next ladder is. No.
Bags. I'm saying.
Yoda best. Drive.
I don't want any wet in the house, okay? Anybody gets wet, you're all wet outside.
Can I get the red and blue one?
Whichever one you want. No, it is nice.
Red and blue, red and blue, red and blue. No, I can't catch that.
Of course you can catch. You get rid of yours. Don't put it on your teeth, I didn't do it.
Fraser.
You don't take
Yeah. Oh, wait, Reese, I'm gonna spray it into the mouth. Watch this. Guys, look at this, look at this. Look at this. Sorry, I just had to take off my headset. My mouth is gonna explode. Gunpowder! Okay, I'm gonna get back to my recording. I might have to end it soon, but all I really wanted to show you for this video was my motorbike. So I'm gonna have to do that in about 2 minutes. And it takes me about 10 minutes to actually get there. That doesn't even take me a minute. Yeah, I got 50 cash. My mouth is filled up with helium. There's zero fuel. And for what I did last time, trick jump from. I need to search the desert this time. Not just be a street boy. Right. There! Brilliant. Perfect. Look. A motorbike. E. Look how fast this baby goes. So I think I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you later. Alligators. Wait. I'll see you later.